welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to rate popular skincare ingredients and we're gonna see are they really worthy to be in your skincare routine or not. Okay, so the first ingredient I'm going to talk about is niacinamide. It is a versatile ingredient, has multiple benefits for skin, so we are going to start from its property. Niacinamide controls excess sebum and oil production. It also reduces the size of pores. It also inhibits the tyrosinase enzyme, which is mainly responsible for the melanin production. It also stops the transfer of pigmentation between the skin cells, and it also controls the inflammation from transferring and increasing. So yes, these all properties make it a really great ingredient to be in your skincare routine, and if you are someone with oily skin, acne prone skin, you should use it in your routine every single day. Okay, now the second ingredient I'm going to talk about is hyaluronic acid, and I think it is an overhyped ingredient. You don't need it separately in your skincare routine because it's already present in everything. Either it's face wash, sunscreen, foundation, serum, it is always there, so you don't need to invest your money in this separately. And yes, I'm also guilty of buying it separately. I have tried this cream and serum, and then later on I realized कि यार ये मेरे हर एक ingredient पे है. I'm just increasing an additional step in my skincare routine. Okay, now the third ingredient I'm going to talk about is vitamin C, and I think it's everyone's favorite and you all have tried it in past, but still I'm going to talk about its properties first and then we will see is it worthy or not. Vitamin C helps in skin brightening, removes hyperpigmentation, it fights against free radical, and it also helps in anti-aging. So of course it's an amazing ingredient, but the only problem here is that finding a vitamin C a formulation that is stable in nature is very difficult, because vitamin C जो होता है वो बहुत जल्दी nature के साथ react कर जाता है, plus it is also hard for our skin to absorb vitamin C, so that's the only issue. If it suits you, it's a really great ingredient, you should have it in your routine. The next ingredient we are going to talk about is azelaic acid. We have already talked about it in past, so yes, you can check the full detailed video here or in description. And now let's talk about its property. Azelaic acid is a mild exfoliator, so it helps in treatment of mild acne. It also helps in post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation removal, and it also helps in inhibiting the tyrosinase enzymes. So of course it inhibits the production of melanin also. So overall it's an amazing ingredient to be in your skincare routine, and it is very mild, so you can use it every single day also. Now lastly, let's talk about the most buzzed ingredient on the internet, that is snail mucin. And yes, let's talk about its property. Okay, before talking about the properties, I want to tell one more thing कि जितने भी ingredients अभी तक मैंने mention किए हैं उन सब के products मैंने try किए हैं, and I know how they perform on skin. But this ingredient I have tried only once from one brand only. So yes, I'm not sure about this ingredient that much, but I have studied so many theories. So on the basis of that, I'm going to tell about its properties and everything. Snail mucin provides deep hydration to skin. It goes 2 to 3 layers deep and nourishes your skin. Secondly, it treats wrinkles, and it is also a powerful ingredient for anti-aging. Okay, now let's talk about is it really worthy to be in your skincare routine or not. So after reading all the theories, I got to know that ये ingredient अभी recently discover हुआ है, तो इसके बारे में इतना ज़्यादा theories proven नहीं है कि is it really effective for your skin or not, but yes, it is proven कि ये skin में deeply जाकर skin को hydrate करता है. So if you are someone with irritated skin या फिर आपका skin barrier broken है, तो you can go for this ingredient. But if you are trying to use it for wrinkles or for anti-aging, then don't go for this ingredient because it is not yet proven that it really helps in it or not. Instead of this, you can go for those ingredients which are proven that they really work. That's all about today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope कि आपके लिए useful रहा हो. And also let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Plus comments में मुझे ये भी बताना कि और कौन से ingredients के बारे में मुझे बात करनी चाहिए. And yes, thank you for watching. Bye.